Yeah, this is the back of a whirlpool tumble dryer, and the points I want to just talk over is that at the bottom there's a shelf going all along the bottom which has to engage at this point here, and there's also a ledge that engages at this point here as well, and unless it sits on this bottom part of the machine, the back won't engage with all these screw holes for you to put the screws in. So that's something that has to be borne in mind. You can see where it engages there and here as well. The screws themselves are T20, so it's that type, if you can see. It's a security type of screw, and you need that type of again, if you can see that, to actually undo them and tie them up again. The company does this to try and stop you getting into the machine, but yours truly managed it.